Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Microsoft Store is not downloading in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I'll give you one solution which will in most probability fix the problem. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will delete the Microsoft Store cache and relaunch the application, and then it will fix the problem. Now you will be able to download. But in the rare case that it doesn't help, I have a PowerShell command for you. All you need to do is copy it and then search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste this command and hit enter. Okay, this will reset PowerShell. Basically, you cannot uninstall PowerShell, so re-registering is the equivalent of reinstalling PowerShell. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.